So how much time did it take to have the understanding of what a good coffee might be?
Well, as I said before, it's still a long way to go to understand the coffee, but it took me until now. Well, we opened the cafe last year in April, so I was working before in bars, different restaurants and so on, but in the coffee world, really, I get just 1.5 years ago.
Vispār ir laba ideja iztaigāt Kuldīgu, kas man vecs sapnis ir šī skaistā Kurzemes pērle ar visu savu arhitektoniku un visu skaistumu. Par kafijām runāt, tad kafejnīcā Tilts ir vienkārši fantastiski kafija. Es domāju, viņi to novērtēs. Man tā izskatās no malas, ka Kuldīgā, man liekas, ka visur ir līmenis. Bet vispār ir ļoti patīkami šeit būt Malačku.